Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my last stage of my vegetables, and please enjoy the video all the way. And here's the first. I'll show you my tomatoes. I already have some and had some already with the salad. And first of all, I will show you my cucumber. This year I didn't have much cucumber. I have only got two cucumbers, one big one and one small one. Inshallah, next year I will try again. So this one is the big one, and there's the other small one. Now this year I tried my best. I've never grown it before, and this year I have, mashallah, grown some khodus, and this one is the big one from the other hodu, and I have three of them and some small of them, and this one is the second big one. And this is very delicious Bangladeshi spinach. And if you have enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.